For all your reclaimed pine and hardwoods, call David at Reclaimed Timber Liverpool or check out his Facebook page, Reclaimed Timber Liverpool. Also delivery available within 50-mile radius of Bickerstaffe. So call David on 07341 773 555. That's David at 07341 773 555. Hello folks, how are you doing today? What we're going to be doing today is a little scroll saw project. My mother asked if I could make some sort of thing for putting a letters or a mail in if you're in the US. So I was looking on Steve Good's website and I actually found this one, which is, you can put 3 separate piles of letters in it. That's the website address though, where you can find the designs and many more. But with this design, as you can see in the back of it, it says US mail. I'm actually going to leave that out because I don't live in the US, so that bit's going to be left out. But there's 9 different patterns you can print out to have on the front face of this design. So you get your 3 templates there, and as you can see on the bottom one there's roses on that one. So you can pick and choose which design you want on the front of it. The other designs you get are those ones. Those ones or them ones. So you've got a different variety there. So if you're into sailing, obviously there's a sailing one, or there's one of an anchor. If you like sea life, there's one of dolphins and seahorses. But the one I'm going to actually do is the top one there, which is some sort of flower. I think it's a daffodil, I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like a daffodil. And then you get the template for the base, which as you can see is a piece 4 inches by 8 inches. So I've already prepared my wood. I've put it through the planer. So I've got some nice oak. That's going to be for the arch pieces, and I'm not 100% sure what this base piece of wood is, what I'm going to be using. But as you can see, it's got a nice grain pattern in it. It's some sort of SAPELE or mahogany, I'm not 100% sure, but the actual piece what that come from is that piece. I'm just trying to get it so you can see the actual grain pattern in it. It's absolutely beautiful piece of timber. That's actually a reclaimed piece of wood, that. But yeah, that's going to be the base. It just needs trimming. The ends need trimming off, and I need to trim it to 8 inches, but I've already trimmed it to 4 inches beforehand. And like I said, these have already been put through the planer and sanded down, so I'm just going to attach the patterns on it, and we're going to crack straight on and start cutting them out. Right, that's that little piece finished now. I give it 2 quarts of boiled linseed oil, let it dry for a couple of hours in between quarts, and then wiped it off, and it's all finished. I'll just give you a quick look at it. Seeing it on the camera doesn't actually do it as justice. She's got a beautiful grain pattern in it, even on the piece underneath. I'm going to put some little felt feet on underneath of it, and then that's it, all finished. I know I did have a flower design for the front of it, and when I showed it to her, she didn't like the flower design, so she picked the 2 doves, I think they are, and they love that. So I'll take some still pictures, and no doubt you'll see them over on my Instagram, and I'll put some pictures on after the video, try and get a better shot of it. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share to the channel, and we'll see you again soon. All the links are in the description down below. If you want to leave a comment, you know where to leave it. I answer all my comments back. And I'm off in the house now and having a brew. See you next week.